The laws of physics are universal. Those which apply to driving in particular will be studied here to see what effects they have and how to make them work to our advantage.
Is the sidewalk slippery? You should have anticipated it was covered with ice. If you drive your car the same way you walk, we won't get very far. No, don't do that. I'll be quiet. I'll only talk if you need me. Safe driving. May I make a suggestion? All right. Let me take charge and I will show you how to get out. You are properly fastened. I will transport you to my universe to help you understand certain laws of physics that everyone must know in order to drive safely and efficiently. By spinning your tires on the spot at high speed, you have just demonstrated how to reduce the quality of friction to a minimum. As it rolls on itself, the tire heats up and melts the snow, which then turns into ice on contact with the frozen ground. That is why the car does not move. And the more you press on the accelerator, the less it moves. In the summer, the same phenomenon can occur, except that instead of the snow melting, the tires are wearing themselves out.
In order to avoid skating, one must gently press on the accelerator.
The heat caused from the rubbing of tires is not the only factor in reducing the quality of friction. There is also the width. It is very important that the width of the tire be proportional to the weight of the vehicle. The larger the tires, the more the weight of the vehicle will be spread out, diminishing the pressure exerted on the surfaces in contact.
Hence, here is the first point to remember. The size of the contact surfaces and the pressure exerted on the surfaces in contact greatly influence the quality of friction.
Of course, the ideal condition is that of a beautiful sunny day when the pavement is dry and clean. But everyone knows that in reality, we do not always find ourselves in an ideal situation. I suggest that we go for a ride so you can see for yourself what can happen and the consequences of each situation. It is therefore important to adjust your speed and your trailing distance according to the surface you are driving on. Remember that rain, snow, gravel, and sand prevent the tires from gripping to the solid surface of the roadway. The condition of the tires is also a predominant factor in maintaining good adhesion to the surface of the roadway. The more the tires are worn, the less they will grip to the roadway.
Second point to remember, the roughness of the contact surfaces, that is, the condition of the tires and the roadway, greatly influence the quality of friction.
Increasing the speed of the vehicle also reduces the pressure exerted by the weight of the car on the roadway. At high speeds, you feel as if you are floating on air.
Here is the third point to remember. Speed also reduces the pressure exerted by the weight of the vehicle.
In summary, what constitutes the resistance to sliding between two bodies in contact is mainly the friction between the tire and the roadway. The quality of friction is influenced by the pressure exerted on the surfaces in contact and their roughness.
Friction is what enables you to control a vehicle. It is the driver's best ally.